drop off your car at the dealership for inspections or repairs. While working on your car, the technician notices extra work that needs to be done. In full transparency, he films a video to show you and explain the works needed as well as their urgency level. The service advisor gets a notification that an intervention has been created. He completes the file, price of the repairs, contact information, message, and sends it to you via email and/or text message. You receive an email and/or text message from your dealership. You can watch the videos and pictures with the technician's explanation and accept the work you want to be done in the electronic quote. The service advisor and technician get a notification that you have accepted the repairs. The technician can therefore move on with the work. You can come pick up your vehicle on time, knowing exactly what was done on your car and the amount of the repairs.